Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare this cheesy tasty burger. Really, it's a mouth-watering recipe for all the non-veg lovers, especially the chicken lovers. Chicken cheese omelette burger topped with fried chicken pieces and some extra cheese. Do you people wanna try this street style recipe? Without further ado, let's get started. Before starting, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Wash 5 to 6 boneless chicken pieces with some salt and cut them into small pieces in this way. Now take a bowl, add the chicken pieces. If you like my recipes, please do like and share the videos. Red chili powder half tablespoon, ginger garlic paste half tablespoon, turmeric powder 1/4 tablespoon, salt half tablespoon. Add them and mix well. Keep it aside and marinate for at least 15 minutes. Heat a pan. Oil 1½ tablespoon. Add oil. Now add the marinated chicken pieces. Cook it on a high flame for a minute. Toss the chicken pieces to separate them. Do follow me on Instagram for more updates at @food.festo. Continue roasting the chicken pieces until they are crispy. Now keep it on a low flame and let the chicken pieces cook completely for at least 5 minutes. Chicken pieces should be golden brown in this way. Look at the color, guys. They have turned golden brown, crunchy and crispy. Saute for at least 1 minute. Keep them aside to cool. Take a bowl. Add water 1 tablespoon. Water helps in making the omelette fluffy. Add salt as per your taste. Add red chili powder half tablespoon. Garam masala powder half tablespoon. Chaat masala half tablespoon. Finely chopped onions 1 tablespoon. Finely chopped coriander leaves 1 tablespoon. Take 2 eggs and add them. Now start beating the egg mixture until it becomes some fluffy. Add the fried chicken pieces. You can add the chicken pieces as required. Now mix it well. Heat a pan. Add Melted butter about 2 tablespoons. Keep it on a low flame, otherwise the butter gets burnt easily. Now add the egg mixture. Spread the chicken pieces. Cook it on a low flame for 2 minutes. You can look at it. The omelette started becoming fluffy. Now add finely chopped onions about 1 tablespoon. Add finely chopped green chilli half tablespoon. Add finely chopped coriander half tablespoon. Cook it on a low flame for a minute. Then flip the omelette very carefully to the other side. Cook it well on a low flame for a minute. Now comes the cheese part. Add a cheese slice. You can add cheese as much as you can. You can add grated cheese or cheese pieces or cheese slices. Put on a lid. Cook it until the cheese melts. Now remove the lid. Now start folding the omelette very carefully. Fold it from all the sides as shown. Cook it for a minute. Now it's turn for sauces. Add some green chili sauce. Add tomato ketchup. Add mayonnaise. Take a burger bread and cut it into 2 halves. Add some grated cheese to the burger bread. Add some tomato ketchup on the burger. Now flip and put it over the omelette. Add some finely chopped coriander. Add some melted butter. Now carefully flip it over to the other side. Add some mayonnaise. Now take the burger bread bottom and repeat the process of adding cheese and tomato ketchup. Flip and put it on the omelette. Add some melted butter. Add finely chopped coriander. press the top of the burger slightly so that all the ingredients are intact with the burger. Now flip it carefully to the other side. Press it slightly. Cook it on a low flame for a minute. Add some cheese. You can add or skip it. I just love some extra cheese. So our delicious chicken cheese omelette burger is ready. Just top it with some fried chicken pieces and it's done. Do try this tasty recipe and just comment below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. Follow @food.festo.